Welcome to our second Pages bonus episode. I had talked with you the other day about generating images, and I couldn't at first fathom why the generate image button wasn't available. And then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm using the iPad that doesn't have Apple Intelligence. So I'd like to take a look together at generating an image using Apple Intelligence. Now, of course, we did it in the ChatGPT app, and praise God, that worked great. But they've also got that feature or a similar one right here in Pages, praise God. I'm in my letter test, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the existing photo that we put in there.
Add comment. Active middle right if selected. Double tap to edit image mask.
All I need to do, since that image is already selected, is turn the rotor to edit.
More bookmark nearby hide comment miss links doc edit.
And swipe down or up until I hear delete.
Remove delete.
Okay.
Remove background.
That's cool, but
delete.
We just want to delete it.
Deleted image. Back button.
Now what we're going to do is insert an object here together, but
more, share, collaborate, button.
I think there's actually a generate image button near the top of the document as well, but I want to see if it's also under the insert media.
Undo, format, content, writing, insert media, body, Matthew Valdrek, generate image.
And there it is. Notice.
Browse content hub, generate image, choose photo or video, image playground, take photo or video, record audio, add web video.
You have all these choices and more. Let's go into generate image.
Generate image. Close, button. Intelligent content creation.
All right, let's listen to what this says.
With Apple Creator Studio, you can generate content using powerful intelligence.
Now,
your data is never used for training. Limits apply.
This is part of the Apple Creator Studio subscription, praise God. Let's go to the right.
OK, button. Selected, photorealistic, button.
All right, what are we generating?
Style, heading, choose a style, view, and aspect. Generate an image.
And then over to the left further.
Close, button.
You can get out of that. So let's go to the right.
Choose style, heading.
Our style.
Image style suggestions. Selected, photorealistic, button. Illustration, button. Line, button. Bold, button. Watercolor, button. Pencil, 3D animation, custom, button.
Look at all these choices. Watercolor, 3D animation. We're going to leave it on photorealistic.
View, any, button. Aspect, square, button. Describe an image, text field.
All right.
Double tap to insertion point at end.
Let's describe an image.
Describe.
And I'm going to do something similar to our picnic photo that we created in ChatGPT for our other document. This isn't the same document, but let's go ahead and say, and I'll probably dictate just to save some time here.
Return.
An image.
Use the rotor to access.
Or just a group of people. Let's see. How do I want to say this? A group of people. Gathered around various picnic foods and other outdoor items. Okay, let's try this. A group of smiling people surrounding... Not surrounding.
Inserted a group of smiling people surrounding. Return G-N-I.
Surrounded.
E-D space. Surrounded. Big Y
By.
Space. By.
Various picnic foods and beverages and other outdoor items, comma, with a beautiful outdoor scene as the background. Or in
Inserted various picnic foods and beverages and other outdoor items with a beautiful outdoor scene as the background.
We're going to change that to in the background.
Scene. S-E-N.
All right,
space.
That's good. Now let's see what we have to do.
Style, image style is view, ask text field, submit, button.
And we submit that.
Send the description to create an image. Submit close, but applying prompts and options.
All right, let's see what happens. I'm assuming it's probably ready. We're going to touch the screen and see what we get.
Generating image.
Okay, it still says generating image, so it may not be quite.
Refining composition.
Okay, it's not quite ready yet. Maybe it is now. I don't know. We'll touch the screen again.
Image.
Oh.
Generating image.
Still doing some stuff. It was going to say something, and then I touched it. So that was, let's just give it a few more seconds here. And by the way, full disclosure, I've never done this. So we're learning.
Fine-tuning elements.
We're learning together here. And we're going to see what this is like. But this is a feature of Creator Studio specifically, so you do have to be...
Image generation complete.
Oh.
Create a new image. Button.
Let's see what we have on the screen. Swipe left.
Download. Button. Close. Button. Close. Download. Button.
You can download it. You can close.
Save image.
Go to the right.
Create a new image. Button.
Create a new one. Go to the right.
Insert. Button.
You can insert it into the document. Go to the right.
More. Button.
More.
Pop-up button.
I don't know what's under more.
Image.
Oh.
More.
Let's see what,
button.
See what it said.
Pop-up button. See more options.
Okay.
Double tap to activate the picker.
Go to the right.
Image. A group of people posing for a photo and sitting next to a basket of fruit on a table.
Okay.
Edit image. Heading.
We can edit the image here.
Details. Button.
You can edit the details.
Background. Details.
Let's
button.
listen.
Get suggestions for adding or removing image elements.
Okay.
Background. Button. Get suggestions for backgrounds that complement this image. Mood. Button. Get suggestions for different moods, such as lighting and color changes.
So we can really refine this.
Mashup. Button.
Mashup.
Pop-up button.
That looks cool.
Choose a new image to mix with this one.
Oh,
Double tap to activate
neat.
the style. Button.
And again,
View. Button. Aspect. Describe image
all
edit.
these different choices. So what I'm going to do is go up here.
Close. Down. Create. Insert. More. Insert. Button.
We're just going to assume that this is good to go. And so I'm going to double tap it to insert it.
Insert selected. Double tap to edit image mask. Image. Use the rotor to access document headings, links, misspelled words, comments, highlights, nearby elements, bookmarks. A group of people posing for a photo and sitting next to a basket of fruit and a basket of bread. A group of people posing for a photo and sitting next to a basket of fruit.
Now,
Middle left hip selected. Double tap to edit image mask. Image.
let's
Image
deselect it
mask.
so we can hear its position and size.
Body. Auto crop. Button. Image mask slider. 0%. Done. Button. Vertical canvas. Done. But done.
All right, there's your options
Vertical
there.
scroll.
Let's
Canvas. Done. But body. Done. Button. Up page 1 of 5.
what I did was
Middle right hip. Lower body. I hope this vertical. Lower middle selected. Double tap.
looks like it's near the top. Let's go to the actions rotor here and deselect it.
Drag. Explore. Deselect all.
I meant to do that before, but I actually double tapped instead of using the rotor. I just forgot, and I was going to edit the image mask. All right, let's go ahead and listen now.
Selected. 92 points close to selection's bottom right corner. Double tap to select. Size. 6.0 inches wide. 6.0 inches tall. Position. Horizontally centered. 2.6% from top. Image.
All right.
A group of people posing for a photo and sitting next to a basket of fruit. Use the rotor to access document headings, links, misspelled words, comments, highlights, bookmarks.
So if we think about this, that's an absolutely gigantic image compared to, if you remember the image we had in here of our dog with my daughter petting her. That image, we sized that all the way down to like 2 inches by 1 point something inches. This is 3 times that size, at least the one, I guess it would be the width of it is. I don't remember what the other dimension was that it said. This is a gigantic image. Not only that, but this image is very close to the, very close, excuse me, there got a notification.
WD, dismiss.
This image is
Cellular.
very, very close to the top of the document. Now, that could be okay. I mean, maybe you want the image to be at the top of the document and all the text of the letter to be below it. That wouldn't be a problem. But do you want the image to be this big? Probably not on a letter. You're probably going to bring it way down to size, and I've already shown you how to do that in the prior episode, the prior bonus, but let's just go ahead and do that ourselves here. So I'm going to swipe to the left.
Wednesday, April 8th. More. Share. Collab. Undo. Format.
Because I'm going to do it the new way that I taught you. I can't do it till I select the image. Whoops.
Canvas. More. Cat body. Selected. 9. Selected. Double tap to edit image map.
All right, now remember, it says selected sometimes even if it's not, but we know we deselected it. Go to the left now.
Middle, upper, up, collect, format, button,
All right.
style, button.
Let's
move element back, move, selected.
So arrange is already
button,
selected.
Width, height, 6 width, 6 inches, adjustable width, 5, 1.2 in.
We're going to make it 2.
Height, 2 inches,
And
adjust width, 2 inches.
Interestingly, it already changed the height as well now to 2 inches.
X position, 1.25 inches, adjustable. Y position, 0.28, adjustable.
Okay,
Swipe
so
upward.
it's located way up there at the top. I'm going to probably bring it down just a little.
X position, 1.25. Y position, 0.28, adjustable. 0.26, 0.0.0.0.38 in. 0.71 in.
I'm just swiping up.
1 in. 1.08 in.
All right, we're going to leave it there.
X position, 1.25 inches. Y position.
All right,
Selected.
now
Double.
we can tap out of that, and we have the
A
image.
group of people selected. Explore, deselect
Let's
all.
deselect it, and let's listen now.
Done. Button.
Oh.
Body. Matthew. Body.
Okay.
More. Canvas. Body. Selected. 119 points close to selection's bottom right corner. Double tap to select. Size. 2.0 inches wide. 2.0 inches tall. Position. 14.7% from left. 9.8% from top.
All right,
Image.
there you go.
A group of people posing for a photo and sitting on a blanket with a basket of fruit.
And we continue to get more information from VoiceOver about what is in this image. What I could have done is also saved this and then shown it to SIRI and said, what's in this photo? I don't know if you can... well, let's try it. I don't know. Let me just try it here. ChatGPT, can you tell me what is in the photo that's currently selected in this document?
Do you want me to send this content from Pages to ChatGPT?
Yes, please.
The selected photo shows 4 people sitting together on a blanket outdoors having a picnic. There is a picnic basket, fruit, and other food items laid out on the blanket, and the group is smiling at the camera. That was from ChatGPT. Check important info for mistakes.
How do you know it's outdoors? What do you see in the background that tells you that it's an outdoor picnic?
I can tell it's outdoors because the background shows green grass, trees, and natural lighting, which are all typical of an outdoor setting like a park or garden. That was from ChatGPT.
Are you able to tell if the position and size of the photo look reasonable so that people can still clearly read the text of the document without the photo covering anything up?
Yes, the photo appears to be positioned above the main letter content and does not overlap or cover any text. The text is fully readable, and the photo size looks reasonable for the document layout. That was from ChatGPT.
Well, folks, praise God. What can I tell you?
Text field
That is
is
pretty
edited.
cool.
Matthew
All right,
Direct
so
Backlight.
we've just done a ton of things,
Pages.
and that's going to be a wrap for Pages for this season. We got so much more to teach you in this course, of course, but I think we've really taken the Pages sessions very far, farther than we ever have before. Hopefully, we've given you a great overview of Pages and the ability to really use it to its full potential. Hopefully, you have been blessed by this and you've learned a lot. So thank you so much. God bless you. We will be back soon and see you then.